Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to disable Google Assistant from power button. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Redmi Note 13 and you are wondering whenever you try to press this power button long term it's not opening any power button screen, it's opening Google Assistant, which is kinda annoying, and you're looking for how to disable Google Assistant from this power button. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You have to click in your Redmi Note 13 settings section. After click over there, you just scroll all the way down and then we will find here something say additional setting. After click over additional setting, you will find there something say gesture shortcut. After click over gesture shortcut, we will find there something say launch Google Assistant. We're going to open that and then we're going to turn this off. Now if I go back and if I try to long press this power button, we'll see now it's going to appear the power screen. We can restart your phone or you can power off your phone. So in this simple way you can easily disable Google Assistant from power button. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.